Bhavani Ayurveda created the Menopause Ritual to help support the body and mind as one transitions into menopause. What's included in this kit is cooling aromatherapy, which is, of course, going to be a great ally if you're experiencing hot flashes or any mood swings. So, really simple how you use this. You would just shake it up and spritz directly onto the face. So you're just drawing in that aromatherapeutic energy. So this would be a great thing to have just at your bedside. So if you wake up and you're a little overheated, this will be a great go-to. And to support hormonal balance is our woman's blend tea. So it has things like chasteberry and black cohosh, shatavari, sage, Indian sarsaparilla. All of these herbs are going to help support the body and the mind as you're moving into this delicate transition into menopause. And it'll also help provide moisture if one's experiencing any dryness. And what comes with it too is our heart-shaped tea infuser. So this is a loose leaf tea, so you would just use this heart-shaped tea infuser to gather the loose leaf tea, and then you just put it in your coffee or teacup, and just pour your water into there and let it steep. You'll let the herbs steep in this cute little heart tea infuser. So this is a great little set, great little supportive set for women, and we hope you love it.